Hi James, how are you today?
I'm doing all right, thanks. How about you, Sarah?
I'm well, thank you. I've been thinking a lot lately about what it means to have a happy life.
That's a big topic. What brought it to mind?
I suppose I've been feeling a bit stuck and I want to focus more on things that make me happy. What do you think makes a life truly happy?
That's a tough one. I'd say it's a mix of good relationships, doing things you enjoy, and finding a sense of purpose. What about you?
I agree, but I wonder, is happiness something we can choose or does it just happen?
I believe we have more control than we think. Our attitude towards life plays a big part, don't you think?
Absolutely. But how do you maintain a positive attitude when things go wrong?
I try to focus on the things I can control and let go of the rest. What do you do when you're feeling down?
I usually take a break, go for a walk, or talk to a friend. Do you think external circumstances affect happiness a lot?
They can, but I think it's more about how we react to them. Would you say your happiness depends on others?
Sometimes. I know I should focus more on myself, but it's hard. Do you think setting goals is important for happiness?
Definitely. Having something to work towards gives life meaning. What's a goal you're working on right now?
I'm trying to focus on self-care and reducing stress. Do you think we need to eliminate stress completely to be happy?
Not necessarily. Some stress can be motivating, but too much is harmful. How do you manage stress?
I've started practicing mindfulness and meditation. Do you think happiness is something we should constantly chase?
No, I think happiness is more about appreciating moments rather than always chasing it. Do you feel content in your life right now?
Sometimes, but I know there's room for improvement. Do you think money plays a big role in happiness?
It helps to a point, but beyond covering the basics, I don't think it's the key. What do you value most in life?
Probably my relationships and my health. What about you?
I'd say the same. Do you think we overcomplicate the idea of happiness?
We definitely do. Sometimes it's the small, simple things that bring the most joy. What's something small that makes you happy?
A cup of tea in the morning. How about you?
Watching the sunset. Do you think being grateful helps increase happiness?
Oh, for sure. Gratitude helps us focus on what's going right. Do you keep a gratitude journal?
I've started one recently, actually. Do you think it's possible to be happy all the time?
I don't think anyone is happy 24/7. Life has ups and downs, right?
Yes, and it's about how we handle those ups and downs. Do you think helping others can make us happier?
Definitely. When we give to others, it feels fulfilling. What's something kind you've done recently?
I helped a neighbor with their shopping. What's something you do to bring happiness to others?
I try to be a good listener. Sometimes people just need someone to talk to. Do you believe happiness changes as we get older?
Yes, I think our priorities shift with time. What makes you happiest now compared to when you were younger?
I used to think it was all about fun, but now it's more about peace of mind. How do you think you'll find more happiness in the future?
I plan to focus more on being present and enjoying the moment. What's one piece of advice you'd give to someone who wants a happier life?
I'd tell them to focus on what they can control, be grateful, and spend time with loved ones. What would you say?
I'd say don't forget to take care of yourself, and remember that happiness is a journey, not a destination.